Hello, AP Computer Science Principal students, and welcome to another beautiful day of digital learning. We are down to our final 4 weeks of the school year. It has gone awful fast, and the next 4 weeks are going to go even faster. So let's go ahead and get started with question of the day. A simulation for a new app to allow students to place a lunch order by 11 a.m. to speed up the lunch line is being tested. What information will the simulation provide? And you will select two answers. A, if a new line at the pickup station will cause a slowdown. B, if students will use the app often enough to make it worth the cost of developing. C, if the app will decrease the cost of wasted food. D, if the app can speed up the lunch line. Again, you are going to pick two answers. Please pause this video so you can study your answer choices. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you had an opportunity to make your selections. The best answers for this question would be answer A, if a new lunch line at the pickup station will cause a slowdown, and answer D, if the app can speed up the lunch line. The simulation can show if the lunch line will speed up and if a new bottleneck will be created at the pickup line. The simulation will not show how often the app will be used or if food will be wasted. Make sure you go over to It's Learning, find question of the day for April 27, 28, and select options A and D. Just a little inspiration quote here from Eleanor Roosevelt. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, and small minds discuss people. And today's assignments. Oh, should have put a title on that slide, I guess. Actually, we don't even need that slide. Oh, there's our assignments. All right, we're going to watch the daily overview video, which you just did, and I'm not going to re-record, so there you go, and complete question of the day. Then there's two videos that I want you to watch on data compression, and they are in the Unit 8 lesson. I want you to watch how does video compression work, and then there's a short video by Alo Block on digital compression explained, and this is going to lead into our assignment that we will do on Thursday. But the only thing you have to turn in today is question of the day, and then just watch the two videos. If you have any questions, I'm available to you all day long in It's Learning. Have a great day.